And today we are going to discuss about our general science class. In that we are going to discuss about our FA2 examination paper. Once we want to go review with the FA2 examination, and then after we will again what we are completed in the class sessions. Once we take revision, tomorrow onwards we are going to our new lesson. Okay, now once listen carefully. Yes, there is a how you write examination of the students. How many are there? Are got 25 marks. I hope you all are got 25 out of 25. Yeah, there is a what I am going with the first question onwards. Everyone, listen carefully. Here there is a what which one of the following is a transparent material? Paper is very easy now, or not? I hope it is easy only. Which one of the following is a transparent material? Yeah, there is a what? Materials are classified into actually how many types based on the light propagation? 3 types. One is the transparent media, another one is the non-transparent media. Yes, another one is the partial transparent media. Transparent media nothing but which allows the light through it. Transparent non-transparent is nothing but another name of non-transparent is opaque. Okay now, and then after last one is the what? Partial transparent media, which allows the light partially through it. It is called partial transparent media. In this way, there is a whatever these medias are there here, like a transparent, non-transparent, and opaque. Okay now, that all are given here. What is that? Rock, wood, glass, paper. Here you know very well, the rock is a opaque media, wood is also opaque media only, paper is also opaque media only here. There is a not allows the light through it. That's why the remaining is a what only here? Glass. The glass is a transparent material. Then come to the second question now. Which one of the following dissolve in water? Which one is following dissolve in a water? Yeah, you know very well, based on the mixed with the water, the substances are classified into 2 types. One is a solving, another one is a dissolving. Here, which one is the dissolve in the water? Tell me. Yeah, there is a what? Wood, a piece of rock, sugar, and plastic. Here, there is a plastic is a dissolve in the water. Wood is dissolved in the water. Yes, piece of rock, plastic is dissolved. No, it is a floated. Sugar is a dissolved in the water. Okay now, that's why it is only the answer. Next one. Yeah, don't write any other relative matter, students. Which of the following substances are transient media? Which of the following substances are transient media? Yeah, there is a what it is? Wood, sandpaper, oil paper, and water. Yeah, there is a what? Which of the following substances are transparent? It is a oil paper, oily paper. It is a transparent medium. Next to come to fourth one. Which of the following does not float on water? Which of the following does not float on the water? Which is that? Which is not float on the water? Yeah, there is a which contain less density than the water, that is a float on the water. Which contain more density than the water, it is not float on the water. Yes, here feather, paper, coconut oil, and stone. Stone is deep in the water, na? That's why that is only the answer. Next one. Filtration is a method to separate the compounds of. There is a different separation of the substances methods are there. In that one, there is a which one is the separate the material. Okay, filtration is a which type? Filtration is a method to separate the components of. Yeah, that is the word solution, mixture of a liquid and the insoluble substances, both A and as well as the B, and D is the pure substance. Once check it here, filtration is a method to separate the components of A. First one is a solution, is that correct? Okay, and the mixture of a liquid in a insoluble substances, both A and B it is pure substances. Here mixture of a liquid and insoluble substances is made separated by using this filtration method only. Okay, next not it is like a solution means it is already mixed with the one another. And as well as the pure substance is nothing but it is individual substance only. That's why it is not a correct one. Okay, now and next one, sixth one. Which method is used to separate a pebble and stones from a sand easily? Okay, you know very well this is also one of the separation technique. That is a what actually? Yes, sieving only. Okay, clear or not all of you students? Why? Because stones, very small stones are there. Yes, and sand it is also there. Sand not separated by hand picking. Why? Because it is a very small component. Then the what actually? Then our yes stones. That's why it is not possible. It is. Yes, and that is only. Next component is sand from the water is separated by. Yes, sand from the separated by the sedimentation and declination. Why? Because when you take a sand, okay, it is reaches to the bottom of that water. And then after it is becoming the sediment material. When we are inclined that water from that bowl, automatically, okay, it will be converted by using the declination. It will be made changes its position. Yes, it will be separated from it. The next to come here, eighth one, the process of conversion of water vapors into liquid is called as. The process of a conversion of water vapors into liquid is called. What it is called? It is called as condensation. It is called as condensation. Got it or not all students? Eighth one is about the process of conversion of water. Yes, vapors into the liquid is called as. Actually, it is answer is what actually evaporation, condensation, declination, sedimentation. Conversion of water in vapor into liquid, it is actually condensation, not the evaporation. When we are heated the water, it is converted as a vapor, it is called evaporation. And yes, sedimentation is nothing but bottom, some substance are remain like that only, it is called sedimentation. Declination is nothing but inclination of the water from the sediment materials. And here the remaining is only condensation. After cool down, the vapor is become as a liquid, that is only called the condensation. Due to this one only the clouds are formed, you know very well. And the next ninth one, which one of the following statement is correct? Which one of the following statement is correct? Several kinds of the plants and animals may share the same habitats, and all the animals and plants in a habitat are adapted to it, and both the statements are correct only. None of these it is correct. Both the statements are only correct only. Several kinds of the plants and animals may share and the same habitat. You know very well. Tree is as a habitat, house is as a habitat. There is a different animals are taken as same habitat. All animals and plants in a habitat are adapted to it. Okay, yeah, one is adapted by another one. Okay, now yes, that is only we are taken. And what are the characteristics of the desert plant? Okay, there is a different plants are given here. No leaves are very small leaves. Yes, and there looks like a Spanish. Deep roots are contained. All of these. Okay, all of these only answers. These all are the properties of desert plants. Next to come to here, which of the following is not an aquatic animal? Tell me which of the following is not an aquatic animal? The frog, dolphin, whales and camel. Camel is not a aquatic animal. It is a desert animal. You know very well. Yes. And the next one, a mixture of salt, sand, oil and water is given. Which of these sequence can be used to separate the salt? Okay, this is again the separation of substances lesson. There is about a mixture of salt, sand, oil and water is given. Which these sequence can be used to separate? Decantation, filtration, evaporation. Filtration, evaporation, condensation. Filtration, boiling, decantation. Yeah. There is a first we added salt, sand, oil and water. Na? So first we want to separate sand here. When we separate the sand by using the decantation, we will get the mixing of water, salt and oil will be get, sand is removed from it. And the next filtration. Okay, due to the filter what will we get here? Due to the filter there is a what will we get here? Yes, because of the filter there is a what actually the remaining any components are there like oil and as well as the water will be came out. And next when we evaporated, yes, when we heated the water, okay now, and the remaining is become crystallized, salt will be get. Okay, that is only crystallization format. Okay, clear. And we made a crystal by using evaporation process only. And next one is, that is a picture may not given in your examination. The picture is like this picture may not given in your examination. Okay now, yes. And that is what here there is a one, we are heated the tea and it will be covered by the one plate and it will be coming in the form of a liquid again. What this process actually? Answer is A. First evaporated due to the heating and then it is a cool down because of ice particles are contained on the pan. Automatically that evaporated particle is converted as a water. That is only we are taken. And the next to come here, which of these is a false statement? 14th question answer. What is it, which of these is a false? Here a mixture of oil and water can be separated by the filtration. A mixture of iron filling and rice flour can be separated by magnets. Yeah, it is not came. Picture is not came. Sorry. And how you write answer I don't know. Yes. And next, which of these is a false? 14th one. A mixture of oil and water can be separated by filtration. A mixture of iron filling and rice flour can be separated by magnet. Okay now, flour mixed with heat grain can be separated using sieving, and a mixture of sand and water be separated using sedimentation and decantation. Okay, which one is the answer you have to take here? A mixture of oil and water can be separated by filtration. Somewhat it is a yes, actually correct one. That is only false one. Remaining all are correct one. Which one are correct? In this one, which one is the correct actually? A stone is therefore sink in a water. Sponge in a soft, it can compress easily. Water is in transparent, thing can be clear, seen through it. All are correct. All are correct only. Properties of substance based, it is a given. A stone is a hard. A stone is a hard. It is therefore sink in a water because of its hardness, and it is a sink in a water. Why? Because it is a density of substance. That's why it is a sink in a water. And next, sponge is a soft. It can be compressed easily. Sponge is a soft, and that's why it is a compressible easily. And what is the transparent? That's why it is a light is a passes through it. That's why it is easily clear the things. Okay, in this way only you are know what is the properties of substance and how it will be experience of property. Next come to here 16th one. Which pair of substance float in water? Which pair of a substance float in water? Which pair of substance float in a water? Here given pin, oil drop, coin, rubber band, plastic ball, feather, iron nail, cotton thread. Okay. Yes, here remaining all the three except to C, that is a plastic ball and feather. Both are floated on water only. The remaining are one of may not floated on the water. Suppose you take a pin or oil drop. Pin is dipped in water. Oil drop is floated. Coin, rubber band. Coin is dip in water. Rubber band may it will be floated. Iron nail and cotton thread. Iron nail may dip in the water, but cotton thread may not dip in the water. Like that we have concluded about our concepts. Next one, it is the 17th one. Water takes the shape of container. It is called as a liquid, and sugar takes the shape of the container, then sugar is. Once again I repeat it. Water takes the shape of the container. It is called as a liquid, and sugar takes the shape of the container, then sugar is. Once again I repeat it here. Water takes the shape of container. It is called as a liquid, and sugar takes the shape of the container, then the sugar is. That is only the dilemma with the sugar. What is the dilemma with the sugar? Sugar as in a form of a group of crystals, it looks like a liquid only, but it is not a liquid, it is a solid. It is a solid. Why? Because the crystal is solid, it is not changing its shape. When it is changes the container also. And next come to your 18th one. Divya suggested some method to separate a mixture given below. Find out correct one. Clear or not, all the students? Divya suggested some method to separate a mixture given below. Find out correct. Pure water can be obtained from seawater by the process of filtration. Cheese is removed from colored milk by the process of decantation. Separation of sugar from tea can be done by filtration, or none of the above. Okay, clear or not, all the students? I hope you got it. There is a what we will consider here. The Divya suggested some method to separate a mixture given below. Find out correct one. Pure water can be obtained from seawater by the process of filtration. Okay, now, yes, there is a what it is possible by the filtration. Pure water can obtain from the seawater by the process of filtration. It is possible? No. Why? Because it is contain salts. The salts are may not removed by the filtration. It is possible by the crystallize the salt, and then after you have to take a distillation process compulsory. Cheese is removed from the curd milk by the process of decantation. No, it is not possible. It is okay. Now decanation. Now when you decant the milk, all the total it is contained about the cheese is also as a milk only in the milk. That's why it may not get for us. Yes, when we are heated that, at that time it will be get. Otherwise. Next one, C. Separation of sugar from the tea can be done by the filtration. Okay, clear or not, all the students? It's a possible. Tea is separated from the there is a lot by using the filtration. The tea powder is filtered by the filtration, but that is not possible by the for sugar. Next, that is none of the above is only answer. Got it? None of the above is only answer here. Come to 19th one. You are provided with the following materials. Okay, what is the materials is provided for you? Magnifying glass, mirror, stainless steel plate, glass tumbler. Which of the above material will you identify as a transparent? Okay, which one is a transparent media in this? There is a magnifying glass is a that is a transparent media, and a mirror. It is a transparent media. Mirror? No, it is not a transparent media. And as well as the stainless steel plate, it is a transparent media. No, it is not transparent media. Yes, and glass tumbler. There is a what? First one and fourth are transparent medias. Okay now. Yes, why? Because they allow the light, and what is inside of it, it is also appear for us. Okay, that is only. Yes, and next 28th one. Find the odd man out in terms of material. It is a made of odd man out is nothing but okay now. Yes, a different from the remaining things. Here what it is? Football, chair, table and desk. Football is the answer. Why? Because chair, table and desk may have possibility to made by the wood, may have possibility to made by the iron also. Different materials are made by the different things, but football is made by only one thing, that is a plastic only. It is made by the plastic thing only, and it is not possible to made by the wood or otherwise a metal like that. Yes, 21st one. Which objects are made of only one material? Okay now. Yes, which objects are made of only one material? That is a what? Chair, door, pot, bicycle. Okay, clear or not all of you? Yes, here chair are made by the metal, door are also made by the metals only. Our made is bicycle is also made by the metals only, that is iron. But and door not only contain only one material, it is a contain the what? Different material like plastics are also required, and chair is also required. There is a what? Different type of materials are required for it, and for bicycle compulsory. Okay now, yes, required different material, plastic, iron. Okay now, different materials are required for it. But part is made by the only yes mud or clay. That is only. That's why it is enough. It is required only one material. C it is answer. And 22nd one. Following is not an aquatic plant. Which one is called aquatic plant? Which are live in a water. That is called aquatic plant. And what is that? Lotus, Valsinaria, Hydrilla and Tulsi. Okay, the remaining three are aquatic plants. What is that? Lotus, Valsinaria, Hydrilla are aquatic plant. Tulsi is not a aquatic plant. It is a terrestrial plant. That's why answer is that one. Following is not a terrestrial animal. Which one it is? Yeah, that is what? Lion, rabbit, dolphin and tiger. Okay, here terrestrial animals are nothing but what actually? Which are living on the earth, that is only called terrestrial animal. Here not a terrestrial animal. Dolphin is a aquatic animal, that is a live in the water only. That's why it is a aquatic animal. It is not a terrestrial animal. Following is not taken tree as a habitat. Yes. There is a what? Snake, bird, ants. Everyone is a tree. It is everything is a habitat here. Yes, for taken as a tree only. That is snakes are made taken habitat, and birds are also habitat. None of the above is a answer. Everyone is a yes also treated as a habitat only. Next, last 25th. The ink appears to be made of a single color, but it is actually a mixture of many colors hidden in it. Because of how you know? Yeah, there is a chromatography experiment. Okay now, that is only gives it is. It is a chromatography experiment is only gives the information about the how the ink is made by the different color substances. This is only about our question paper, students. Yeah, there is a lot of questions are there, easy questions also. Okay, clear or not all the students? Yes, and somewhat about habitats are given. Okay, now from the habitat there is a 6 questions are there, and every part is a container questions. Okay, now materials and things are contain more questions inside it, and I hope you all are enjoying the examinations. And this is the first time you write our examination in the online form. May become happy, and as well as somewhat curiosity is there, na? Yes, and your marks are at the same time you get, and and this opportunity given by our management. Yes, say thanks to them. Okay, now, yes, why? Because no other students are right like this. Our school is only going like this program. Okay, now, online examinations and online mark presentations, online classes, everything is going like a school only. And you should thankful to our chairman sir and management. Okay, now, yes, and tomorrow onwards we'll go with our new lessons. Already we completed our lessons up to what we have completed, you know very well. That is only fiber to fabric. We already completed up to fiber to fabric it is. Yes, and different things are there here. Okay, got it or not? Yes, already we completed the question and answers of fiber to fabric also. And tomorrow onwards we are going to discuss about the what actually about the plants and part and its functions. What is the plant and what the parts are there and what the function is going in that particular plants. Very important and interesting also. So many experiments are there, so many live things are we have to go to discuss in that. Yes, and that is only, yes, tomorrow onwards we are going to discuss. And now how many members you are may completed your question answers of our fiber to fabric or not? If you are not complete, you complete that all the question answers. If you have any doubt, follow our previous video which are conducted before the examination. Okay, now if you have any doubt also may posted in our chat box. I will once again I want to explain about it. I hope you are already follow that all our revision classes, and as well as recorded live class links are also there. Once you go through it, if you are any doubt is there in a question answers. Got it or not, all the students? And tomorrow onwards we will go with our new lesson. Yes, I hope you got it. What is logos? Login, not logos. Login. Okay. Yes, and you login through like that our lesson. And till now we are completed 8 lessons. Okay, now. Yes. And half of the textbook is completed already. Your half syllabus is completed in a live mode. You have to write that short questions also. Whatever 15 questions are only, 16 questions are only there now. 16 questions you are writing your homework notebook. Okay. Yeah, thank you students, bye, take care. And once again you are if you have any doubt in a question answers of our 8th lesson, okay, once we have to discuss. Tomorrow I will provide that. If you have any doubt till now, any doubt is there, till time is there today, okay now, and start to our next lesson. Yeah, thank you, bye, take care all.